Now, one case that I'm really excited about is the leather cover for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I really like the cover, the leather cover on the Z Flip 4, the Z Flip 3, the Z Fold 3. I love the leather covers, and so why not grab it for this one? Let's check it out here. Get it open. I hope this is really good because the other cases that I've checked out from Samsung so far, not really a fan of the front portion of it, but I understand. I think all of them are going to be like that, it appears, and so that's something I'm going to have to make a decision about whether I'm going to use them or not. So this one right here obviously has that same front end where I'm going to need to use the sticky portion inside to actually keep it on, and that's sad that they had to do it this way because the hinge is so much thinner on the and they made the screen a little wider, so that's why. But this one actually fits a little bit more snug. Inside of here you got this soft touch velvet feeling in there, so that's really nice. Now this is probably the best one that I've put on of all the cases, and I don't know if it's because it is the leather one or not, but this front portion doesn't feel as flimsy. So we go around to the top here, you can see you got ports for all your microphones and everything up there and your speaker, and then you come around to this side here for the fingerprint reader and the volume rocker, nicely placed. And then the ports on the bottom have the speaker, microphone, and charging cable port there. So you've got the hinge open, and then you have the back here. Most of these have, the cases that they have are for the camera cutout. It's really, really nice. I think you'll probably like that. It actually covers the camera. And this leather case is actually really nice, man. I really like this case. Wow. That is a really, really nice case. And I think this is the best feeling one that I've had yet. This is really nice. I really like this one. I'm glad I got this one. These cases are all very expensive too, if I'm being honest. But you know, most cases today from OEMs, they're gonna get you on that price because you know you want the official OEM things here. So let's get the wireless charger out. It's my favorite wireless charger now, and we'll pop it on, and it is going to wireless charge because all the other cases that I've used can wireless charge. Even the one that holds the pen can wireless charge. I love this pen. Fold edition, baby. But yeah, of course it's going to wireless charge, and that's just the thing. I think of all the cases I've tested so far, this is probably the favorite of them all thus far because the front portion of it actually hangs on snug. And it's not real flimsy, and I don't have the sticky portion on there, so that's saying a lot about this one. I genuinely really like this. It just looks really good too. This is a good looking leather case. Now I do have these covers that I could possibly put on here for the camera protector. I'm still considering whether I want to do that because you know I do like the burgundy fold, and I also like to use my phones without a case most of the time, so that is something that I genuinely will be doing at some point or another. I don't normally wear cases around the house, and that's why I feel some type of way about putting the sticky tabs on the front of the phone because you know I'm going to have my screen protector on there at one point, and it's going to be a plastic film, and I don't know how that's going to work with all these cases with the stickiness around it. Now currently right now I've only noticed that that's with the official Samsung cases, but we'll see how this works out. So here is the leather case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. I hope you enjoy so far, bringing you lots of coverage on here. This is, yeah, I'm digging this one. I think I'm really digging this one over these two right here. I mean, obviously the back of the cases feel the same. It's just the front of these cases are super flimsy. And if I do wear one of these, so far, both of these two are very flimsy on the front, and I'll need to put that stickiness around it. So we'll see how that plays out when you have, tempered glass or any other tempered glass. I'm sure the official tempered glass from Samsung probably works great with this case in all their cases, so I'll probably end up buying that too. But it's your man Jay. The leather case so far is my favorite case of all the Samsung products, all the Samsung cases that I've brought in. So hope you enjoy the video so far. Short and sweet and to the point. Get to it. Does it wireless charge? How does it look? How does it feel? This is the top one so far of all the Samsung cases. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.